Hi Mike, this is your electronic ignition lock. Those are your keys. This one works. This one works. Okay. This key was totally damaged. We needed to repair this key. This part was broken. Probably this is the part that you have played with. You have changed it from another key or something. This is simulation of your electronic steering lock. Right now we'll check the key. Ignition is released. Position 1, position 2, cranking. Your electronic lock has been repaired successfully. Thank you, bye.